Lauren Peru, a training support specialist for the AT and UDL Loan Library at the Port Orange Distribution Center. Welcome to the video on accessibility in a Mac. These features help support all learners through universal education, Tier 1 support, and the Florida's multi-tier system of supports. Students using an Apple computer can self-select these supports to remove any barriers and increase their engagement during instruction of the Florida Best Standards. This episode will focus on the spoken content features. To access these features, click the Apple icon in the top left-hand corner of the screen. In the drop-down menu, click System Preferences, then Accessibility. On the left-hand side of the display, you can choose Spoken Content. Here you can choose System Voice and Speaking Rate. To enable each of the following features, click the checkbox. Shown here is how to edit System Voice and Speaking Rate.
Isn't it nice to have a computer? Isn't it nice to have?
The sum of the squares of the legs of a right triangle is equal.
Speak announcements can be delayed and a separate voice can be chosen. You can add or delete phrases from here.
Hey there. Most people recognize me.
Speak selection will allow you to customize how selected text is spoken. You can change the colors and styles in the drop-down menus in the pop-up menu.
Spoken content.
Speak items under pointer can be modified in speed and selection. Typing feedback can be modified to which feedback is spoken. This is an example of speak items under pointer.
Speak typing feedback checked. My note: this is an accessible feature on Mac. Answer. Preferences. Accept then. Spoken content.
On behalf of the AT and UDL Technology and Learning Connections team, we just want to say thank you for joining us today. Please keep an eye on our website for additional videos and support.